The title of this video might sound weird, but I'm going to explain what I mean by what I said. So about an hour ago, I actually just finished. I'm opening up my Chromebook and I'm gonna do some schoolwork. I have to do some math work, some homework for a college class in statistics. And I don't know if any of you like this, but I hate maths. I despise maths. If there's one subject in school that I would not want to do for the rest of my life, it's maths. It just doesn't click with me. I mean, I just don't, I have no passion in it enough to want to learn it. So yeah, I had to finally log onto my Chromebook because I put it off until I need to, and I try to finesse, and in every single test and every single quiz I've tried to cheat. I just do what I can to not put my head down and actually try to learn maths because I just hate it so much. I have no passion in it. And so I'm at my wit's end with this class. I'm almost done with this FCC class in about a month, not even, about 20 days. I'm done with this class, and I have a C in this class, and I don't get C's. I usually get B's and A's, but with this I just couldn't be bothered, and I have a C, and if I get a C I pass. So the goal of this class is to get a C. Anyway, I'm at a C, and I can't be bothered to do this throughout the whole class, and I only have 2 days of class a week, so one day I miss it, you have to catch up and all that. So I'm trying to catch up, and I'm opening up my computer, and I'm watching the video that I missed out on in class, and I'm just sitting there watching this video that the teacher has recorded for these people who have missed days in class and need to catch up. And she's going over the lecture, and she's like, yeah, we're learning about graphs and probabilities and all that. And she said, yeah, today we're going to be learning about errors. So you've been learning for the past week about probability if it lands in this section of the graph. But what if it doesn't, and it lands in this random other part? And I'm sitting there listening to this, and I'm thinking, why on earth am I learning this? What is the benefit of learning this? I'm not going to be a math major. I'm not going to need to know maths in any job of this. I'm not going to need to know maths of this caliber in any job in my life. And I'm in my room taking an hour of my day to force myself to do this, which I have no passion and interest and to do, which makes me just not want to do it even more. And I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, nah, this can't be it. Like this can't be what I'm gonna be doing for the next 4 years of college or whatnot. This can't be it. This can't be the school system. This can't be the education system. They can't tell kids to sit in a room and try to learn this, and then if you don't, we're gonna fail you, and then you're not gonna be able to progress in education. That can't be the system, but it is. So then I'm thinking, right, how do I get out of this system, or break the system, or beat the system, or something to not put myself in this system, because it's clearly restrictive, and it just takes away from people's personality. I don't want to be learning maths. I want to be learning trading, which yes, I do in my free time, obviously, but the fact that they've set it up in this way, and I understand that, school has a system where they want to keep you educated, they want to keep your mind going, but there should be at least a certain point where you get to pick and choose what there should be some required stuff, but having to upgrade yourself into a statistic, this is, when do we ever need a T-chart in life? When you need a T-chart, you've hit rock bottom. When you need a T-chart, your bank account's at negative $1,000. I mean, I can't, I don't know. I hope you guys get what I'm saying here. And so this drives me, this feeling inside me, doing school, going to school, having to show up tomorrow, or Monday, sorry, and show her this piece of paper like she's an idol. Here is my homework. Please give me the A. I did it for you. It is complete BS, and everybody hates it, right? I don't think anybody likes that system. But it's the difference is that with me, I don't like it bad. I hate it so much that I'm gonna turn it into fuel. That's what I'm making with this video. That's what I'm saying to you guys, and that's what I'm recommending you do. You take your anger, if it's going to school, being in that job that you hate, taking the fuel, taking trauma from your childhood, taking people bullying you, taking your dreams and goals that you have in life, and using all of this as fuel. Fuel the engine that you are, fuel the machine to take you to where you want to be. Because everybody has the stuff down here. How do you use this and use it to get to where you want to be? That's the difference. That's the key. What are you going to trick your mind into thinking to get yourself to that level? Because you can truly make up anything. If you found the video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want to make. I hope this helped.